Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel earnwithpranav.com. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to receive videos as they are uploaded. Today I'm going to show you a method by which you can earn $100 for just a few minutes of work. The website that I'll be using is called Naming Force. N-A-M-I-N-G Naming F-O-R-C-E Naming Force. This is the one. I'll go to the website. Here what you have to do is click on this link, become a namer. Click on the link. It is very easy, but you have got to be a US or a Canadian citizen and over 18 years of age. You type your first name, your last name, your username, your email address and create a password. You type your birth year, agree to the term of use and click on register. As simple as that. I'll show you how you earn. I'll click on contests. You see there are many contests out here. Most of them are of $100. Let's see this one. Although there are ones with $250 also. Let's see this one. 100 award for a business name. We have started a new business. We are combining a branding design agency with a business coaching company. Our vision is to help small and medium-sized business grow and streamlining the process, making it easier for the customer to buy. They can get a logo, full branding, stationery, marketing materials and website with a combined business coaching all under one roof. And all you have to do is submit a name for their brand. Like you see, they have submitted Identity Forge, Venture Edge, Advanta Consulting, Forston Advisory, Ready Set Design, Quiver, Incubiz, Full House Web Design. These kind of things are submitted. Let's go to this one, antioxidant skin supplement. Or let's go to law and law practice attorney. This is a law firm in Tanzania. It is intended to attract a variety of clientele. The area of practice are going to include big corporate practice, and all the details are given here. You have got to submit a business name. They have submitted Promise Partners, Clear Call Legal Services, Blue Nova Law Associates, Paradigm Trust Law Group, Africampass Advocates, and things like that. You have got just to submit a name for their business, a brand, their brand. But how do you do it? That's the main problem. Well, we'll be automating that. We'll be using a site called Oberlo. O-B-E-R-L-O, Oberlo. I'll go to Oberlo. It's basically a drop shipping company, Oberlo. I'll click on it, but we'll be using it for our naming. I'll go to resources and I'll go to free business tools. Accept the cookie policy, and the tool I'll be using is business name generator. generate business names. I'll click on this. Now let's see if I've got a logo design company. LOGO DESIGN that I've got to name. I've got to name a logo design company. I'll generate names. Here are the names generated. Elite logo design, Starlight logo design, Strike logo design, Wildflower logo design, Surreal logo design, Vantage logo design, Versa logo design, Reliable logo design, Sienna logo design, Brisk logo design, Fiber logo design, Amber logo design, Dynamic logo design, and the name is endless. All you have got to choose a very good name which will suit the company and submit the name out there. So see, it's just a few minutes of work and you'll be getting $100 if you win the contest. It is as simple as that. So if you liked my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to receive videos as they are uploaded. And if you like my video, please click the like button. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thank you and have a very nice day. This is Pranay Kumar signing off from Earn with Pranav, my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a very nice day.